Hey guys, so sorry for the background noise. There's lawn mowing going on and my cousin's on the computer. So yeah, but I just need to make this updated video because I want to make a pretty background, just updated quality. So yeah, and I'm just taking advantage of having a camera with me. So yeah, this is like the only day I'd be able to do it. She's just in town for a little bit. So yeah, let's just get started with the regular squishies. So I have this, and I finally got more. And I put my own tags on them, and they do take time to make the tags. And these also could be for sale, but I'd rather trade them. Then I have this Katoy toast. The Kumadango. And offer really well for this, because I think it's rare. This, that, and final squishy is this one. I got this as an extra, so whoever gave it to me, I forget who you were, but I'm sorry, I have to trade this away. So, yeah. So those are the squishies that are regular for trade. Okay, next is just some random Kawaii things. So first I have these two sticker sheets. I got this one from somebody. And then I got this one from the Disney store when I went with my baby cousin. Then I got this animal flower lettuce set from Daiso. I got these baggies from Daiso. I got these baggies from Daiso. Got these baggies from Daiso. These baggies from Daiso. This lettuce set from Daiso. This lettuce set from Daiso. That's a lot of Daiso things. These sticker sheets. And I only have one more left. I have this thing of cabochons. I have 5 DECO tapes that I'm willing to trade out of my whole collection. So I have this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I have those, and I have this jumbo DECO tape. Just broken. The packaging is kind of dead. Just put it back there. And I have some memo pads. So let me just move this stuff to the side. So I have this. It's used. And that I wrote on this page, so let me just take it out. So, yeah. So I took them out. It's pretty used. I have this one, and I have one of these designs. I have 2 of these. Then I have 2 of these. So I have 2 of those as well. So I have those. So that's pretty much my whole entire trade offer for the Kawaii items. Next trade offer I will have craft items. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks guys. Bye.